Alright my good people, now welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. Like this now, me don't call your screen with breaking news. Me don't call your domot with another legit intel on the things and things where they go on for inside with green country, maybe Nigeria. And the cocoa now be say, as the 2027 general elections they approach, politicians now don't already shift their focus. They already make big plans. They already make discussions. They already make moves so that last now then go still get power for inside the next election cycle. Now no be like say the 2027 general elections now tomorrow it won't happen. No, the election still dey like 2 years away. But you see political office holders and all these politicians them plus party leaders, they don't already dey strategize for the 2027 race. And based on same politicians now just dey prepare for the elections. Based on say politicians now don dey make plans, don dey take steps, don dey make moves against the next election. The thing now don come raise concerns among country people. Now they don dey argue say whether these politicians they're supposed to dey prioritize governance and fulfilling the promise wey they make during the 2023 general elections, abi they need to dey prioritize 2027 election wey never even reach at all. Wetin be the plan of these politicians? And the matter now don dey confuse many country people because they no come know whether our politicians mind dey for the general public, abi they just wan sit down for power. And no be lie my good people, you know say political figures wey dey for both the ruling party and the opposition parties dem, they don reportedly engage in various alignments and realignments, and these levels now dey include talks of new party formations or mergers, and all these levels they do am sake of say they wan secure an advantage ahead of the next general election. And at the same time, my good people, some state governments and officials wey dey for inside this current administration wey dey led by our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, they don begin to dey make moves dem, they don begin to dey make key decisions, they don begin to dey do things wey go strengthen their hold on power, even as many country people dey continue to dey suffer from the effects of poverty and economic challenges. Even as country people they continue to see shege promax every day by day for inside this our green country, maybe Nigeria. And as I'm talking to you right now, my good people, legal experts and public commentators, all of them they question the timing of these political moves. They point out say the current government has yet to fulfill their promise to the electorate. The legal experts and public commentators now they yarn this one way politicians now and key stakeholders don't begin to dey plan for 2027. Meanwhile, currently things choke for the general public. It no make sense at all. One countryman wey dey go by the name Ladipo Johnson, he na national publicity officer for the new Nigeria People's Party, wey be NNPP. He na come dey express in concern over the growing focus on 2027. Now he come dey yarn now say obviously it is a tough time for Nigerians. The government and elected officials should sit down and work rather than to talk about 2027. He say everybody now wey dey for inside this our green country wey be Nigeria, they suffer hunger and poverty. They dey feel am hot, and political office holders must show wetin they don do for the mandate wey people give them for inside the year 2023. Now the power wey country people give them to lead, wetin dem carry that power they do. They supposed to point out the things and things wey they don't do to help the lifestyle of country people instead of to dey talk about re-election. This my good people, now the things and things wey come aside from the mouth of the country person wey dey go by the name Ladipo Johnson. And no be only this man talk about this matter, my good people. E still get another countryman wey dey go by the name Kunle Akunede. He na public affairs analyst. He na come dey yarn say real governance should tackle the immediate challenges wey country people dey face. And the challenges wey country people dey face they include economic instability, the welfare of the masses, and the fight against poverty. So whatsoever policies now wey the government dey implement, if e no dey fight poverty and hunger wey the country people dey face every day, then that policy now na wasted one. E no make sense at all, because last the welfare of the masses supposed to be the government their priority. Oga Kunle consider yarn say we no go fit dey talk about elections all the time. Rather, we need policy wey go fight poverty and hunger for inside this our green country wey be Nigeria. So, and those kind of policies we need am sharp. We need am now, and no be lie at all, my good people. You know say sake of say our political leaders now don begin to dey plan against 2027. E come make some kind critics come go dey point to government their insufficient response to economic difficulties, and these difficulties dey include the recent removal of the fuel subsidy. And na the fuel subsidy removal na be the genesis of the hardship wey many country people dey face for inside this our green white green country wey be Nigeria. So now one former All Progressive Congress chieftain wey dey go by the name Saliu Lukman, him too don follow the sama warning, him don follow the draw ear. Say the 2027 election cycle, e no go be easy one for any political party o. E no go easy at all, and e no go easy sake of say promises alone are no longer enough to win the trust of country people. You no fit come outside inside 2027 come begin dey yarn say I go do this one, I go do that one. E dey tell those levels to people be say they don begin dey yarn talk since dem born dem. Those kind levels now e no go just work. Nigerians now have grown weary. They don tire for this political strategy wey politicians dey use. If dem come outside now come talk say they go do this, they go do that, when dem give them power last they no go do any meaningful thing with the power wey country people give them. So that, my good people, na why Oga Saliu Lukman come outside dey sama warning. Say if politicians think say they go fit win election by promising country people good life, omo, e no go just work, because promises now they don dey use since, and now country people don know say Nigerian politicians na promise and fail na dem be. So the question now go be say, who last go come win for the 2027 general elections? Normally the All Progressive Congress wey be APC, normally na our current president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu na go contest under the umbrella. While for the People's Democratic Party, we never dey sure who go contest. The PDP be dey try make the former president wey be Goodluck Ebele Jonathan come contest for inside 2027. But Goodluck Ebele Jonathan no wan contest at all. He no get interest in presidency again, so he never declare who go contest. If he be say last na Atiku Abubakar na go still contest under the umbrella of the PDP. And as for the Labour Party, they don come outside come yarn say no more automatic ticket o. No be like say na Oga Peter Obi na go just represent them automatically. No, the tickets now they don bring am out, they don put am for table. Anybody wey wan contest under the umbrella of the Labour Party, he go buy the presidential form, you understand? So this, my good people, now the information I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. You know say now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they like give una legit intel on the things and things wey dey go on for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like this update and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell, so that as we dey come with the news, now you go first get the updates and you go even receive them sharp. Me dey call your side again to another legit intel for you, my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.